Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we want to find the value of s in this given algebra problem. 1 divided by s plus 1 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 3 divided by 4. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Let us consider the equation at the left hand side here. The SEM is s bracket s minus 2. Now let's see, s goes in s bracket s minus 2. We have s minus 2 multiplied by 1. This is s minus 2 plus s minus 2 goes in s bracket s minus 2. That is s times 1. That is x is equal to 3 divided by 4. Then this is s plus s. We have 2x minus 2 divided by s bracket s minus 2 is equal to 3 divided by 4. Here we have 2x minus 2 divided by s multiplied by x, s square minus s multiplied by 2. 2s is equal to 3 divided by 4. Let us cross multiply at this point. If you cross multiply, 4 bracket 2s minus 2 is equal to 3 bracket s square minus 2x. 4 multiplied by 2s, this is 8x minus 4 multiplied by 2, 8 is equal to 3 multiplied by s square, 3s square minus 3 multiplied by 2s, 6x. Then we have 3s square minus 6s minus 8x plus 8 is equal to 0. 3s square minus 6s minus 8s, that is minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now let us factor this by grouping or use quadratic general formula, but I'm going to use grouping. So this is 3x minus 2 bracket x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here you can see that we have two cases here. The first case is 3s minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 3s is equal to 2. Let's divide both sides by 3. This divided by 3, this cancel this. S is equal to 2 divided by 3. This is the first value of s. And from here, we have s minus 4 is equal to 0, which is this. Then s is equal to 4. This is the second value of s. We may check to confirm if these two answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by s minus 2 is equal to 3 divided by 4. If s is equal to 4, we have 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 2 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 2, this is 2, must be equal to 3 divided by 4. And this is the same thing as the SCM here is 4. 4 in 4, 1 times 1, that is 1, plus the SCM here is 2. 2 in 4, 2 times 1, 2, must be equal to 3 divided by 4. Then we have 1 plus 2, that is 3 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 4, which is true. Now, if S is equal to 2 divided by 3, 1 over X plus 1 over S minus 2 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 3 minus 2 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. This is 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 6 divided by 3 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. So this is 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 divided by 3 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. This is 3 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by minus 4 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. The SCM is 4. Here we have 3 divided by 2 minus 3 divided by 4 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. So SCM here is 4. We have 4, 2 in 4, 2 times 3. This is 6 minus 4 in 4, 1 times 3. 3 must be equal to 3 divided by 4. 6 minus 3, this is 3 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 4, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.